Help! There's a tea tornado swirling above my orange sherbet ice cream. The iced tea funnel is swooping up my sherbet and mandarin oranges, clearing a path for a touchdown in whipped cream and a turbo spin smoothie. Hey, do you want to see my tea tornado orange sherbet smoothie recipe? It's easy. You can see all our ice cream sundae, shake and smoothie recipes and cartoons. Just type in Google search the words www.icecreamtalkingcartoonrecipes.com. And if you like me, please share and I will like you back. See you soon.